Hello everyone. Judge Ratha Mokgoatleng, who is presiding over the matter of Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, has apologized and withdrawn comments he made about black lawyers in court on Wednesday. The defense lawyer, Advocate Thulani Mngomezulu, failed to pitch up at the High Court in Pretoria and also failed to formally communicate his absence. Advocate Mngomezulu called one of the other defense lawyers, Advocate Zandile Mshololo, a few minutes before court proceedings, informing her of his absence and asking that she inform another lawyer, Advocate Sipho Ramosipele, to stand in for him. This prompted Mokgoatleng's reaction and said, "Is this how black lawyers behave? Some of them." As proceedings got underway on Friday, Mokgoatleng tendered an apology and said, "On reflection and after some thought, I admit my comments could be interpreted as ill-advised, ill-considered or offensive, and that if that is the perception, I unreservedly withdraw the comments." He was actually aware that Black Lawyers Association wanted a meeting with him after his comments, but said he was unable to meet them as this could affect his future in the case, and said, "I don't have a problem with that, but the law procedures precludes me from meeting the BLA because they want to have a meeting with me regarding my presiding in a case which is continuing. They are not parties to that case. The parties to the case are 5 gentlemen who are here, who are represented by 5 counsels and attorneys, and the state presented by Advocate Ronnie Sibanda and George Baloyi. A judge is supposed to execute his functions without fear, favor or prejudice and has to be independent, objective in the exercise of his authority in court. Consequently, judicial protocol and the law does not allow a judge, while presiding in a case that is continuing and not yet finalized, to meet a body or people and have a discussion in any matter which arises from the conduct of the case. The law does not permit that. If I did that, the accused before the court could bring an application for my recusal because they wouldn't be present in that meeting which the BLA wants to have with me. They could also apply for the quashing of the proceedings on the basis that they are unconstitutional upon me having entertained a discussion with legal fraternity body." Advocate Mngomezulu also penned a letter of apology to the court for his failure to report his absence on Wednesday.
But me, on reflection, and after some thoughts, I admit that my comments could be interpreted as intemperate, ill-advised, ill-considered and offensive. And if that is the perception of the accused and their representatives and persons outside, even the public and the BLA, then I want to state that I unreservedly, without any conditions, withdraw the comments which I made in that Wednesday afternoon because of the events that played out here. And also, if I caused any offense to any person or organization, I also unreservedly apologize. And I also apologize also to the judge president of this division, Mr. Mlambo, and the DJP of this division, Mr. Aubrey Letwaba, and if needs be also the Chief Justice, the judiciary, my colleagues, and even the Judicial Service Commission.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.